Hello adventurers! Today I'm doing something completely crazy. I'm going on the Runaway Mountain Coaster here in Branson. So I've got my keys, I'm about to strap on the GoPro, wait in this little line. I've already registered and I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's roll the intro and get up this mountain.
Slide one more forward.
Oh, okay, cool.
Sit out into the back seat.
Oops. Oh, if my leg will go up there, I'm tired today. Woo.
That for you.
Thank you. I gotta figure out where to put this. There we go.
You guys ever rode before?
No.
You know how? Push down to go, back to slow. Don't stop, don't hit anyone.
Is this gonna make me scream?
I don't
know, do you scream with normal roller coasters?
Not usually.
Well, then you should be fine.
Okay, cool.
Alright, give me a thumbs up, you know the rules? Rolling!
Woo! out, guys. That was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the mountain roller coaster just like I did. After that, I'm gonna cool off for a little while. That was amazing. I was so excited, and you can control your speed by pushing down or pulling back. So that gives you so much more options. So if you're not wanting those really fast curves, you can always slow it down. So awesome. I definitely recommend doing this, and I'll see you guys next time. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more of these kind of adventures, go on over to my interactive map where I share all of my adventures. Bye, guys!